Hey, it's me. I'm at the Playboy Mansion. All of the birds are out today. Look at the big flock of them. And they're all enjoying being outside on this lovely day. It's May the 4th today, so May the 4th be with you. Anyways, I'm gonna go and say hi to the parrots, because those are my favorite. My favorite of all is Playboy Mansion birds. I like to go and hang out with them as long as they're not chasing me, because they tend to do that from time to time and I don't want to get a good peck-in. Look at, there's one of Holly's birds. Well, I think, I hope he doesn't chase me. Birds, birds, birds. May the 4th be with you today. Je m'excuse, birds, but I would like to go. This one's really elaborate, isn't he? Hey, birdies. This one's my favorite. I think it's like, I can't remember his name, but she's really cute. Hi, honey. Hi, little one. Oh, and you're a pretty bird. Oh, you're a pretty bird. I missed you. I missed you. Hi, honey. Hi, are you gonna give my shirt a little tickle? I love the birds at the mansion. As long as they don't give me a big bite. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Hi, hi, hi. This one's a really nice one. She's sweet. You're a sweet little bird, aren't you, honey? Aren't you? Are you a sweet bird? Pretty bird. You're a pretty bird, honey. Hey up. She's a pretty bird. She's a pretty bird, honey. Yep, she's a cutie. I don't know if it's a he or she. And there's the other one. It's a pretty peacock. Yep. No pecking. And what have we got over here? A big flamingo and the hyacinth macaw. I think that's Lady Macbeth, the bird is. And then some blue and gold macaws and another cockatoo and a flamingo. All out enjoying the sun like I would be if I didn't have such a hectic schedule today. What's all this ruckus, you guys? Oh. One of the parrots over there is screeching away. Anyways, I just wanted to make a cute little movie because I haven't made one in a while. And my outfit's kind of good today. I actually did my makeup today. What are you pecking at? What are you pecking at? She's not gonna bite, is she? Well, that's good news. I don't think I'd very much like for this one to bite me right now. Hey, pretty bird, do you want to go up there? Or are you gonna stay on my arm? Oh, she says, nope, I'm not going up there. What's this one's name?